Hello everyone, myself Shailesh Rane and I welcome you all on behalf of Saraswat International Academy. Today we are going to learn chapter number 1, that is Introduction to HTML. We already learned the topic Internet as well as Introduction to HTML. Now in this session we are going to learn tags increasing decency of writing. So I will show you practical of tags. Student, our first tag is P tag. The P tag is known as paragraph tag. I am writing paragraph tag and I delete all the break tag from here. This thing we did in last lecture, but now all tag I will explain step by step. So our first P tag, how it's working, let's see now. I save this program and I will open in browser. So student, you can see this, you can see in paragraph format. If I maximize or minimize the size, according to that this paragraph is managed. Are you able to see? Okay, I hope you understood this thing. Okay, now next tag is break tag. Break tag we seen in last lecture. The use of break tag is to break the line. Again I am showing you one example here for your understanding. Break tag, I save it. So after color the line should be break. Let's see is it working or not. I again refresh it. So after color line is break. So break tag, the full form of BR, break tag. It is known as empty or blank tag. Student, each tag, title, head, HTML, each tag have closing tag, but BR tag, break tag does not have closing tag. That's why it's called empty tag. If more than one lines are to be left, then more than one BR tag can be placed. Here I place only one break tag, but if I want to break the more line, then I have to use more time break tag. Our next tag is pre tag. Now pre tag is employed to show text in pre-formatted form. Now student, how this pre tag is used, I will explain it practically first. So here I am writing pre tag open and pre tag close, and after that rainbow consists of 7. After 7 I am giving some space. These color are violet. After violet I am giving some space, and light in water droplets in the earth atmosphere. After atmosphere I am giving some space. So is it working or not? Let's check. I save it again and I run the page in browser. So you can see that the effect is applied over here. After 7 it's space, after violet again space, after atmosphere again space. So here our pre-formatted text is applied. Our next tag is bold tag. Now how this bold tag is working, again I will show you from here. In place of pre tag I writing here B. It means your bold tag. I delete this again space from here. From here also I am deleting the space, and from here also I am deleting some space. Now in place of pre tag I am writing here B tag. B, it means for bold. Now let's see is it working or not. I save this page again and I am going to the browser Rainbow. So student, the whatever content you written, it's made in bold format. So bold text is shown in bold letter. So whatever you written here, it's showing in bold letter. Now our next tag is U tag. U tag, it means underline tag. So whatever content you written here, it's come with underline. So I'm writing here u tag. I save this page, and again I will check is it affected or not. So it's came. So using u tag, the underline came over here. Student, this everything, each tag you have to do practically at your home if possible. Then yeah, our next tag is I tag. So again, in place of u, I means student italic tag. So whatever content we written over here, it's coming in italic format. So let's see is it affected or not. I save this page, again from browser I refresh it. So it's coming in italic format. So there we are using I tag. Our next tag is strike tag. Strike tag using for line is drawn on them, means whatever later we return, whatever text we return, the line is come on that text. So let's see is it coming or not. I open the S tag, I close S tag, S means strike, I refresh it. So whatever the text you return, it strike on that text. Our next tag is TT tag. TT, it means text return tag. So text return tag is means teletype. The full form of TT is teletype. Teletype means whatever fonts you written by typewriter, the same way you can see your font style. So let's see is it affected or not. I save this form, I run in browser. So it's coming in teletyping format. Student, it means the way you are writing by typewriter and it's printed the same way you can see here the format. Here are all tags are completed. Now for your practices I am teaching you the extra tags apart from this syllabus. Our next tag is small tag. Small tag here open, small tag here close. The small tag is used to particular text appear one size smaller than the text around it. So suppose student, if this tag I am writing here after dot, okay, I am keeping it here. I save this result and I will check in browser. So student, you can see here this is your normal text, but by using small tag, this is the small size text appear around the text. Okay, our next tag is big, means again I am applying in place of small I am writing here big. In place of small I use the tag big. I save this file, again I run in browser, I refresh it. So you can see student, it's little bit affected. The whatever text you written here, it's larger than, means bigger than the around the text you written in page. Our next tag is superscript and subscript. Student, you know very well what is the superscript and subscript. Here I am giving one example also in this program. Suppose if you want to write a square plus b square, so how you will write it? I am writing using a h1 heading tag. In a, on above a I want the a square, I want to write like that, so I will use superscript, and 2 I will write in this superscript tag. I close superscript tag here and plus b square, so I write b, again I open superscript tag Again I will write 2 and superscript tag close. So here the result is coming or not. Let's check now, student. A square plus B square. I again open Rainbow page name. So you can see a student, A square plus B square. Suppose if you want to write H2O, means 2 you want the bottom side, that is called the subscript. How you will write this thing? So I am giving you one example. Again I use H1 heading. I write here H, and 2 I want at bottom side, so I will write here subscript. So SUB 2 subscript tag close, and I am writing here O and heading tag close. Here also, students, I have to close heading tag. The tag which I open, I have to close it compulsory, otherwise the effect will not come. Okay, now let's see F5. So H2O. Then our next topic is anchor tag. And I'm again giving you one new example. New text document. Okay, I'm making one program here. HTML head tag open, title. I'm making this hyperlink program, so I give the title name hyperlink, title tag close, head body tag open. Here for anchor tag I am using a href. This is the anchor tag use. So a href is equal to, I am writing here website name like www.google.com, and I close it here, and here I am writing visit www.google.com, and here I close anchor tag. After closing, I close the body tag, and after that I close HTML tag. Sorry, first head tag, and after that HTML tag. I save it by name hyperlink. So go to the save as. I have to save on desktop. I am using the name hyperlink. So save it dot html. Let's see, is it working or not? So I open it. See here, student, the hyperlink which is coming in blue color. If I click on it, it's open www.google.com, but right now there is no internet. That's why we not able to see the website. Okay, now our next topic is attributes of align. In HTML document, we have to see the 3 types of alignment. So I will show you practically, students. First of all, if you want to align the full paragraph right hand side, you have to write align equal to right. So I am writing here align equal to right. I'm closing p tag here. I save it. Let's see this effect is applied or not. I will press the shortcut key F5. So it's applied and the whole text shifted to right hand side. So if I want the same text or paragraph text left hand side, so in place of right, by default it's a left side, but by alignment also I can align it's a left side. So I will save it and I will again run the page by pressing shortcut key F5. So it's coming left side. Now if I want this text in center, so again I will go to the code. In place of left, I have to write, student, center alignment. So I will write here center. The spelling of center is CENTER. Save it, and again I will press F5. So it's coming in center portion. If you want this heading also in center portion, what you have to do? You have to again go to the H1. In H1 heading, you have to write here align equal to center, and here H1 tag already closed, so no need to write. Save it, and again refresh the page. So rainbow also coming in center. Now student, here your first chapter is completed, but for your homework I am giving one practical. I am writing on notepad, so please note down it and complete at home. So go to new notepad. I am writing here practical. Develop a web page. Question number 1. Develop a web page that introduce your class include information such as your class teacher, other course teacher and subjects you are learning. Give heading of this page as my class. Use necessary formatting and presenting tags. Student, note down this question and you have to do at home. This is practical question. I am increasing the font size. Okay, please note down. And whatever tags, anchor tags, pre-formatted tag, paragraph tag, italic, bold, underline, teletyping, subscript, superscript, whatever format I taught you, applied in your practical program. So thank you so much. In next session we are going to learn chapter number 2. Thank you so much students.